Okay, class, welcome back. What is your question, my dear Sunny?
The question is her of her have a pet video for parents that include
Okay, what is your question, Sunny?
is Harry the present is the parents.
What is with the parrot?
The parent the uncle her uncle tells Mary need to teach the parrot some word
Yes, because the parrots can talk.
and talk like human.
Humans. Yes, correct. And what is the color of the parrot, Hannah?
Hello. Blue and yellow.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now, what is the favorite food of parrots, Fong?
Me.
What is the favorite food of parrots, Fong?
About
What parrots eat, Fong?
I love strawberry. I
Oh
love
my God, you need to
strawberry
listen,
coconut.
Fong. Parrots eat fruit. Now read the example, Fong, my dear. Please read the example. Last week, here.
Last week,
Okay, let's wait for Fong. Fong.
Mary, uncle, and aunt went to see her. The place that the parents that they Mary what a beautiful
Beautiful parrot.
parrot.
Okay. Now, question number 1, Hannah. The colors of the parrot were
The parrot
colors.
color of the car is blue and yellow.
Yes, correct. Fong number 2. Number 2, Fong.
The very Mary Matt very happy with her new pet.
Okay, what was the name of the pet, my dear?
The pet, Spata.
Pasta. Pasta. Okay, very good. Oh my God. You're shocking, Fong. Okay, Sam number 3. Mary.
Mary can teach her new pet some word.
Yes, some words. Okay, very good. Now number 4 is me. The first 2 words that Pasta learned here is pasta and hello. Sunny?
Yes.
Oh, no. I will read first the story. Mary taught the parrot to say pasta and hello. Pasta! Hello! Then he learned to say Mary. Mary! Yes! No! Lunch! Yes, Mary, yes, no, and lunch. Then Pasta learned more words. On Saturday, Mary's mother opened the living room door and asked Mary and her younger brother, Fred. Who is his younger brother? Sam?
It's Fred.
Okay.
It's Fred.
I want to sure you are listening. I want to make sure that you are listening, class. What do you want to eat for lunch? Fred shouted. Pasta! The parrot was there with them. He thought, oh no, Fred wants to eat me. And he flew outside. What happened to the parrot? Sunny?
Oh, I think the parrot is looking for food.
No. What happened to the parrot, Fong?
Oh, what's my name is me.
Okay, the parrot thought
The parrot thought. Cái sao pasta?
no.
Pasta.
Okay, the answer is the parrot thought that he wants to eat with Fred. Fred wants to eat me and he runs. He flew outside. He was scared. Okay, number 5. Let's have Sunny. Sunny, number 5.
Yes. Fred what? Mary.
Who is Fred? Who is Fred, class?
It was her brother.
Yes, younger brother. Correct. Next. Hannah? Pasta was? Afraid and
And fly out the window.
yes, correct. Okay, very good. You are listening. Next. Okay, another story. Please read aloud, Sam.
That
Sam. Oh, Sam. Where are you, Sam? Sam. Okay, Mary and Fred ran out to the garden. But they couldn't see Pasta. Then their mother shouted, "Oh, he's here in the kitchen." The children went to see. Pasta had a grape in his mouth, and he gave it to Mary's mother. She laughed and said, "I know you want to tell us something. Is it please eat fruit and not pasta?" The parrot jumped down and down. "Yes, yes," he said. What did Pasta give to Mary's mother? Sam?
not is pasta. It's fruit.
Okay, what fruit is that?
It's right.
Wow, you're listening. Okay, very good. Now let's start number 7. Pong, number 7.
Number 7. The children now
Couldn't
children can
find the parrot
find the parrot in the chair.
No, in the chair?
In the kitchen.
In the garden. In their garden. Next, number 8. Sunny, number 8.
Number 8 is the mother who put her mother found pasta in
Where?
the kitchen.
Okay, where
In
is that,
the
Sunny?
kitchen is the
Okay, correct. In the kitchen. Number 9, Hannah.
Pasta give
plus with food. Plus gave food to Mary and she
Okay, what's the answer, Hannah?
food.
Pasta gave a grape to Mary and Fred's mom. Number 10, when Pasta said, yes, yes, he jumped up and down. Very good. Now, what do we have here? Let's proceed to part 6. Close the door, Liam. Daddy in the toilet. Daddy in the toilet. Daddy in the toilet.
Zin. It's a zin.
Now, I will read the instruction, class.
Yes.
Read the text, choose the right words, and write them on the lines. Now, number 1, some big towns have zoos inside. A zoo, you can find a lot of animals. There is often a hot house of snakes. Number 1, some.
Okay. Some big town have and fin.
Another.
It is an another.
Yes. Number 2, do or have. Fong.
Or have
Do or have.
have.
Which one? Okay, now please read. Have got.
Have got.
Please read aloud, Fong.
Have got feet with elephant.
Big. Okay, next. Number 3, Sunny.
Number 3 is
They, there, it. There is often a shop or a playground too. Hannah, number 4.
the children going to the zoo
They can see
in
the
their
animal
holidays
and
because
Go
they
with.
can see the animals ride on the elephant.
Yes. And my turn, number 5. Ride on elephants or give food to the monkeys. Okay. Congratulations, class. Yes. Okay, let's have a game. Okay, who is the team 1?
I am Mun.
Team 1.
I am Mun.
Team 1 and team 2.
I am Mun or team 1.
Team 1 is Fong and
I am
Sunny.
Mun.
Team 1 is Fong and Sunny. Team 2
I want
is
Mun.
Okay. Fong
Teacher,
and
teacher, I
Sunny.
want one. Teacher,
One or
I want
some?
one. Team one.
Okay, you're team 1 and Hannah is Hannah and Sam. Now please start. Choose your number.
One.
1. What color?
It's orange.
Yes. Now Sam,
I smell
16.
16. This
Ruben.
is a secret.
Yes, correct. Next.
50.
What color is it?
Yellow.
No?
It's
Okay, it's gold. Next.
14.
14.
Is mouth.
Mouth. Correct. Fong and Sunny.
5.
5.
It's white.
Okay, correct. Next.
4. 4.
How many balls?
Is 3.
3 balls. Next.
11.
11. How many bananas? 4 bananas. Next. Sam and Fong.
9. 2.
How 9?
Yeah.
Oh my. Next. Shh, quiet class. Okay, what is it, Hannah and Sunny?
It's 10.
10.
Is yellow.
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 Correct. Next.
I choose 14.
13. What color is it?
Brown and gray.
Brown. Okay, correct. Next.
3.
Swap points. Oh my.
Good.
2,
12.
12. How many robots?
Good quá.
1.
Last 4. 6. Next.
8.
10.
7.
Oh my.
2. 9 birds.
Oh my. The winner is Hannah and Sunny. Okay, class. Let's have a reward tonight. Oh, you know who is the good tonight. Okay. Wait.
Thật cười quá.
Let's
Cười
give a
quá.
reward. Okay, reward class. Who makes a homework? Active in listening, active in reading, being on time, doing your task, a good student, helping others on task, participating, persistence, and working hard. Okay, our top one. Top one is Hannah. Yes, this is for you, Hannah. Very good. Well done. Now let's have our top two. Top two, let's give for Fong. Top two. Yes, Fong, a T-Rex. T-Rex, where are you, Fong?
Điên rồi à.
Where are you, Fong? Okay, very good. Next,
This.
let's have,
Huh?
okay, let's have top three. Top three, let's give for Sam. Top three. Okay, a white sheep. Yes, a fluffy white sheep. Now let's have top four. Let's give for Sunny. Yes, top four, Sunny. Okay, this is for you, Sunny. Yes, an angel teddy bear. Very good.
Cô nổi rồi á.
Okay, class, that's all for tonight. Good
Được
night,
rồi.
class. Good night,
Chấm
Good
tạm
night,
mới.
Fong. Good
Yeah.
night, Sunny.
See
Good
you
night,
again.
Sam. Good night, Hannah. Love you
Good
guys.
night.
Good night. Bye-bye. See you on Friday. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.